In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format numbers in Google Sheets on desktop. Whether you're dealing with financial data, percentages, or scientific figures, formatting your numbers appropriately can greatly enhance the clarity and professionalism of your spreadsheet. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Google Sheet. You'll need to identify and select the cells that contain the numbers you want to format. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired cells. If you have a large data set, holding down the Shift key will allow you to select multiple cells quickly, making the process smooth and efficient. Once you have your cells selected, direct your attention to the top menu. Look for the tab labeled Format and give it a click. This window acts as your main gateway to defining how numbers, text, and dates look in your sheet. Next, you'll want to choose Number from the drop-down menu. This action will apply the standard number format to your selected cells. It's particularly useful if you're just looking to ensure that all your figures are neatly presented with appropriate commas for thousands and a consistent number of decimal places. However, numbers can often mean more than just raw data, and Google Sheets offers several preset formats that might suit your needs better. If you're handling monetary values, selecting the currency option will give your numbers a professional, financial appearance with currency symbols added automatically. For data best expressed in fractions of a whole, like test scores or survey results, going for the percent format will multiply the numbers by 100 and append a percent sign for clarity. If your work involves scientific calculations, the scientific format uses exponential notation to make these large or small numbers more manageable. For those who need more specific formatting, Google Sheets doesn't stop there. Click on More Formats. Here, you have the flexibility to fine-tune further, allowing you to decide how many decimal places you want to display or whether to include thousand separators. It's great for ensuring that your data is easy to read and comprehend, no matter the audience or purpose. Once you've settled on the perfect format for your data, don't forget the last crucial step, clicking Apply. This action confirms your choices and ensures that all your selected cells reflect the format you've painstakingly worked on. With this, your numbers will now be structured and presented just the way you want. And that's how you format numbers in Google Sheets on desktop. With just a few clicks, you've transformed confusing figures into clear and impactful data. I hope this guide was helpful, making you more adept in your spreadsheet tasks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy number crunching.